Ciao world, this video is about my switch debounce library, and I already published a debounce library a few years ago. This one just implement a few more function over that library. By the way, that library was based on the Jack Gensel article and the Trent Glegorne work. You can find the link in the blog post that I link in the description of this video. And in this demo board you find an ATmega8 and a single button that we are going to debounce, and the output of the debounce library is sent to this UART that we can see here. And there are, just for test, there are two buttons output, but this button is the one, and each number here is the state of the button. Like if I press, you can see the first one is the current pressed state. Then there's a immediately pressed state, that is a function that check if the button were pressed in the moment that the function runs. There is the release function for the immediately pressed, and the pressed and release change functions. That two function checks if the button's state change after since the last request. Like, as you see, if I press the third 0, get 1, but if I maintain the button pressed, it doesn't change its state to 1 again, even if it currently pressed. It's the same for the release. The last three numbers are the continuous press, the long press, and the long release. That are the three functions that I have added. The continuous press even check if the button is pressed after a long press event occurs, and the release is the long press release event. If you see, if I long press the button, you can see the 1 here. That means that the button is continuously pressed, and the last one is the long release event. This library can be ported to other microcontrollers. I am using this on a STM32, and I hope it helps.